Hi kids, today we're going to review some beginning sounds. Do you remember that yesterday with teacher Gabby we learned beginning sounds? Today we're going to review them. So teacher Sue is going to show you some words that have the same beginning sound. And there's one that has a different beginning sound. So you have to guess which one is the one that has a different beginning sound. So let's begin with this one. We have ball with the letter B, ball. We have baby, baby. We have barn. And we have arm, arm. Which one has a different beginning sound? Let's see. It's ball. It's baby. Barn or arm? Yes, arm has a different beginning sound. All of them begins with the letter B, and this one begins with the letter A, arm. Okay, let's see another one. Here we have look, mouth. Mouth begins with the letter M. Here we have a mug. Mug begins with the letter M also. Here we have carrot. Carrot. And here we have a mountain. Mountain. So we have mountain, carrot, mug, and mouth. So, which one has a different beginning sound? Which one do you think? Yeah, the carrot. The carrot has a different beginning sound. All of them begins with the letter M, and this one begins with the letter C. Let's do another one, okay? Here we have letter ladybug, L, ladybug. This one begins with the letter L. The sound lake, lake, leaf, leaf, and kitten. Which one do you think that has a different beginning sound? The kitten, right? Yeah, kitten begins with the letter K. And this one's leaf, lake, and ladybug. All of them begins with the letter L. So the one that has a different beginning sound is kitten. Okay, so that's it, boys and girls. See you soon. Bye-bye.